Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can set up a TikTok showcase. In order to do so, here we are at Google, and doing a search on this shows us that TikTok Showcase is a feature within TikTok Shop that allows sellers and creators to display their products on their profile page for easy purchase. It's essentially a shopping tab that makes it simple for users to browse and buy items directly from a TikTok account. Showcase enables users to shop directly from a seller's or creator's TikTok account. The Showcase tab appears on a TikTok profile, typically indicated by a shopping bag icon. Customers can browse products listed in the Showcase and then purchase them through TikTok Shop. Both creators who promote products and sellers who offer their own products can utilize the Showcase. You'll need to get Showcase permission from TikTok. This can be done by linking your TikTok account to a TikTok Business Center. Be advised that TikTok Shop and therefore Showcase are not available in all countries, including Canada. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.